This video will familiarize you with creating a motion to change venue. Whether creating a complex document or a relatively simple pleading, Creative Divorce Documents allows you to do so in an uncomplicated and straightforward manner. When you open Hot Docs, the engine which drives Creative Divorce Documents, the home page is displayed. In the Find Form box, type the name or part of the name of the document you want to create. In this case, we want to file a motion to change venue. By typing venue in the box, the list of documents in the library of forms automatically focuses on documents that contain the word venue in either the library pane or the properties pane. Select Motion to Change Venue and click Assemble. The answer file prompt appears, with the last client file appearing by default. This occurs as long as the automatic select file is checked. In this case, we will be filing the motion for Jack Romantic. By clicking the Answer File button, all client answer files are displayed. Double-click Jack's answer file and click OK. The Change of Venue dialog opens. The reasons for a change of venue are in a multiple select inquiry as shown by boxes as opposed to radio buttons. Choose as many details as apply. In this case, we will note that Jack was served in and lives in Douglas County. Note that when choosing Client was served in New County, a new question opens to allow you to enter the date when Jack was served. After completing this dialog, check the document by clicking Document Preview to see how the draft looks. The content of the motion matches that Jack was both served and lives in Douglas County. The applicable references to law to support the change of venue has been included without active review on your part of the rule or case law. A word of caution: do not rely entirely on citations in Creative Divorce Documents. Rules or case law may have changed before a revised template is published. Always be aware of current case law. Return to the interview. Click Next to enter that the pleading will be signed today, opposing counsel, and client will be served, and the pleading will be e-filed and mailed together with a proposed order. Click Next to end the interview and send the finished motion to Word for final review and printing. Thank you for watching this video. You can now recognize how uncomplicated it is to use Creative Divorce Document to prepare a pleading.